It's been 4 months since Apple launched the iPhone 16 lineup, and by now, we've had plenty of time to test these phones in the real world. So what's the verdict? Do you really need to splurge on the iPhone 16 Pro, or is the standard iPhone 16 all you actually need? Spoiler alert, after months of reviews, user feedback, and hands-on testing, it's clear the Pro might not be worth the extra cash for most people. Stick around because I'm breaking down the performance, cameras, battery life, and more. By the end, you'll have a crystal clear answer about which model is right for you, and you might just save yourself hundreds of pounds. Let's dive in. First, let's talk design. 4 months in, people are saying the same thing. Both the iPhone 16 and the 16 Pro look and feel premium. But does the Pro really live up to its luxury label? Sure, the Pro has a titanium frame, but here's the catch. Most users say they don't notice the weight difference after slapping on a case. And speaking of cases, the titanium edges on the Pro have been known to scuff just as easily as the aluminium on the standard iPhone 16. And then there's the colour. The standard iPhone 16 has been hit with its vibrant lineup. Users love the new colours. Meanwhile, the Pro's muted shades, these colours appeal to more of a niche crowd. If you're someone who likes a phone with personality, I think the iPhone 16 wins here. So after months of real world use, the takeaway is simple. Both phones are beautiful, but the standard model's colourful options and nearly identical feel make it hard to justify the Pro for most people. Let's talk performance, because the A18 chip in these phones is an absolute beast. Whether it's the standard iPhone 16 or the Pro, you're getting top tier speed. Now after 4 months, here's what users are saying. Both models handle gaming, multitasking and heavy apps with zero issues. I've seen people edit 4K videos, run graphic intensive games like Genshin Impact, and juggle a dozen apps at once on the standard iPhone 16. The Pro's extra RAM? It makes a difference in extreme cases, like rendering large video projects, but for day-to-day use, most people don't even notice it. And here's the kicker, real-world battery tests show no significant difference in heat management or throttling between the two models, even during extended gaming sessions. For 95% of users, the standard iPhone 16 delivers everything you need in terms of performance. Alright, let's get into the cameras. 4 months of usage have given us a clearer picture, pun intended, of how these two models stack up. The iPhone 16 and 16 Pro share the same upgraded main sensor, which means they both take excellent photos in any condition. Whether it's low light, portraits, or landscapes, user reviews consistently praise the standard iPhone 16 for delivering sharp, vibrant images. Now, the Pro's telephoto lens does add some versatility for zoomed in shots, but here's what most users report: they rarely use it. The main and ultra wide lenses cover 95% of your photography needs. And unless you're a professional who needs Pro RAW or Pro Res for editing, the Pro's advanced features feel more like a luxury than a necessity. Let's not forget video. Both phones offer 4K cinematic mode, stunning stabilization, and HDR recording. After months of testing, users agree, you don't need the Pro for high quality content creation. Remember, we're 4 months in. The Pro's ProMotion display has been a mixed bag. Some users rave about the smoothness of the 120Hz refresh rate, especially for gaming and scrolling, but the majority say it's not something they notice after the first few days. The standard iPhone 16 with its 60Hz OLED display is still gorgeous. It's bright, vibrant, and perfect for watching movies, browsing social media, or gaming casually. Unless you're someone who can't live without buttery smooth animations, the standard display will more than meet your needs. And here's a fun fact. The real-world battery tests show that the 60Hz display on the iPhone 16 is slightly more power efficient, giving it a minor edge in longevity. Speaking of longevity, battery life has been one of the most talked about topics over the last 4 months. The A18 chip's efficiency shines here, with both models easily lasting a full day under normal usage. Interestingly, many users report that the standard iPhone 16 slightly edges out the Pro in battery life. Why? The Pro's higher refresh rate and additional hardware features consume just a bit more power. If you value every extra minute of screen time, the standard iPhone 16 is the better pick. Well, let's talk pounds and pennies. After 4 months, it's clear the iPhone 16 gives you incredible value. Starting at £799, it offers nearly all the same features as the Pro, which starts at £999. And here's the kicker. Many Pro users end up spending even more because they're tempted to upgrade storage or buy more expensive accessories. When you factor in cases, screen protectors, and Apple Care, the Pro's cost can climb even higher. Meanwhile, the standard iPhone 16 keeps things simple and affordable. Now, who should buy the Pro? If you're a professional photographer or content creator who regularly shoots in Pro RAW or ProRes, the Pro's advanced camera features might be worth it. Or if you're a competitive gamer who demands a 120Hz display, the ProMotion screen could make a difference. But here's the truth. For most people, students, casual users, and even tech enthusiasts like me, the iPhone 16 is more than enough. It's powerful, versatile, and delivers premium performance without breaking the bank. So after 4 months of real-world testing, the verdict is clear. The iPhone 16 is the smarter choice for most people. It offers top-notch performance, stunning photos, and excellent battery life, all at a much better price point. If this video helped you, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more no-nonsense tech reviews, and let me know in the comments, did you go for the iPhone 16 or are you Team Pro? Let's talk about it.